You're watching how to set any song as alarm sound on iPhone. You cannot directly use a song from Apple Music as an alarm tone without first converting it to a custom ringtone or using a third-party app. One method is to use the GarageBand app, which is free. First, ensure the song is downloaded in your Apple Music library. Open GarageBand, start a new project, tap the loop icon, and switch to the Files tab. Browse to find your song in the Music section and drag it into the timeline. Trim the song to a 30-second clip using the scissors tool. Tap the downward arrow in the top left. Select My Songs. Long press your project. Tap Share, then choose Ringtone. Name it and export. This saves it as a tone. Alternatively, purchase the song on iTunes, as purchased tracks can be used more easily. Once you have a song saved as a custom tone, open the Clock app, select the Alarm tab, and tap Edit. Choose an alarm or create a new one. Tap Sound, then scroll past the default sounds to the top where it says Ringtones. Your custom song should appear here. Select it. The other method is to use a third-party alarm app like Alarmy from the App Store. These apps can often access your Apple Music library directly, allowing you to pick any song as your alarm sound within their own interface. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.